Welcome back to Daytime Live. It's May, but it's blistering outside. And what are some of the things that we can do to keep cool while the sun is in its elements? Today we have Akeem here to talk us through some of the things that we can do, relatively low cost and easy to make, to keep cool while it's really hot outside. Akeem, welcome to the show.
Yes, sir. Thank you for having me.
All right, I am I see this lovely smoothie here.
You're going
yes.
straight for
What
it.
is this? I'm hungry and I'm hot.
Oh
So
my
tell me,
God.
what is
Well,
this?
It's a strong back. Actually, it's food and drinking one.
I
wow.
love that.
Yeah,
So if you're on a
awesome.
diet, you can just have this and not eat anything.
Certainly.
Meal
They just have
replacement?
something light.
Excellent.
So talk us through the ingredients. So I know you said food and drink. So what are some of the things that you put into
Well, actually, the strong back is a mixture of peanut, banana, subulgent,
Right.
oats.
I see why they call it strong back, huh?
Yeah.
There's a lot.
Persons
in
give
there.
many other names to it, but
Right.
But
some
we'll
of them
stay
will,
with that one.
we'll just stay with that
Yeah,
one.
man. All right. But that seems a little, like you said, it's a meal replacement.
meal,
So it's a bit
yeah.
full. Do you have something else that may be a little lighter?
Certainly.
Yeah.
Because we're operated on campus, UE.
Yeah.
So we do a lot of events. We do various like a normal
Yeah.
whatever event you
Like
you
if there's
having.
something happening on campus, you guys would turn
Yeah.
up with your stuff and
We're
prepare.
mobile.
You're mobile. Excellent.
Yeah.
So Akeem, if I wanted to make this at home, right? How easy or difficult is it to make a strong
It's
back at
it's
home?
very simple. 2
So
minutes.
talk us through the
2
process.
minutes.
So talk
Yeah.
us through how
2
we'll go
minutes.
about making this.
Right. Yeah.
All right. So you add a little subulgent to your blender, or at home you may want you can use your vanilla lasco.
Okay.
That's fine. So you'll just add a little vanilla as well.
Right.
We do use this is clear syrup.
Syrup.
So yeah,
Right.
we use it as a little sweetener. Persons may not want to use it, so we'll add a little banana, some oats, a little peanut. Yeah, and
Yeah.
it's really cool with rum cream if you want to have that as along with some white
No
rum.
man, we're
but
on an alcohol-free diet. You know,
Yeah.
no alcohol. So
What,
Certainly.
just for the month of
just
May
for the month
or-
of May.
I
No,
hear
just
you,
in my
I hear you.
smoothies because it's hot.
Oh,
You know,
well,
so you
that's
don't
true,
want to
that
be
is true.
dehydrated and whatever.
Yeah.
So what are some of the ingredients that is imperative to ensure that you have for the summer that's coming up, really hot? What are the things like? What fruits do you use that?
Well,
Yes.
actually, our blended fruit punch, we do use pineapple, melon, papaya.
Is this your blended fruit punch here? Can you pass one of those over? Let me
Yes,
see?
that's actually blended fruit
Yes,
punch.
that looks lovely. I'm gonna have a taste of this. No alcohol, right?
No alcohol.
Excellent. So this has what? What does this have in it?
That's actually blended fruit punch with papaya, melon, pineapple, a little touch of strawberry colada.
This is
and strawberry
good,
syrup.
guys.
But you know what I'd love to see? I'd love to see you make one. Can you make one while we're here? So I know you've got some ingredients
Certainly.
here. Yeah, so just like pop stuff in the blender.
Yeah.
And show it.
How would I
it
make
works.
this? This is nice.
Yeah.
Can you make one of these for me?
All right, certainly. Tojon is here who will do it for me.
Talk through what you're doing.
So there is a piece of pineapple.
So quantities matter, or you can just put as many as you want, or as little as you want.
It all depends on how many persons you're catering for, but it's nothing hard for you to judge, so you could just go about doing it. It's very
Okay.
simple to catch on to. Even a 6-year-old could do it.
Well, with obviously the supervision of a parent if you're
Yes.
using a blender, right?
Yes, certainly.
All right, that's fine. All right, so talk us. So this is the simple syrup. So you've put.
That's the plain one.
Okay.
So he has added already
Papaya.
papaya, melon.
Lovely.
He's gonna be adding now a little strawberry colada.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Excellent.
Do you add water at all to this mixture, or?
Or is it ice?
You can use ice only. However, at times the blenders do stick, and if you don't want it too icy, you could add a little water.
And some lime juice. Nice.
Yes.
This is very refreshing.
It is.
So that's how much fruit you would put in each smoothie, or is there?
That's just for 1 cup. Yeah, 1 cup.
Okay.
You don't need
All
much.
right. All right, that's good.
And this is what is this? This is also simple syrup or not?
That's a strawberry one.
A strawberry syrup. Okay.
And this is a great way, guys. The summer, like we said, it's really, really hot. May is already, we're just in May, 1st
Yeah,
of
man.
May today, and it's already so hot. So this is a great way for us to cool down. Ignore me. Yes. Lovely. Lovely. Terrific.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And already
That's what I thought.
colors are great.
Ours is only, okay. Okay. So it's not
Very
long.
simple, as I told you.
Excellent. Excellent. I like that. So are there any, I see you have some bananas here and, oh, pawpaw, lovely. There's a lot of pina colada as well. Some mixer. Is this alcoholic?
It's really
No,
good.
that's straight virgin.
You
Yeah.
have to have
Okay.
a taste of this.
But I have.
DJ.
Okay,
Yeah,
all right.
no,
let
this
me-
particular one. It's really good.
This one tastes better
It's
than this one.
refreshing. Oh, it does.
Why this one tastes better than my one?
Perhaps yours was done.
So
a little
it's
before.
refreshing.
Okay.
It's cool. The flavors are popping, and it's actually really quick and simple. So you know, on a really hot day, this would be just perfect for
Yes.
just for your guests or for yourself if you're entertaining
Yes,
inside.
that's excellent.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you guys for joining us. I am having my smoothie and the strong back, which is excellent. You're watching Daytime Live. Have a smoothie. We'll be right back.